Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you and reviewing some of the new gear that's just come in. So if you've been following my channel or my site especially, you've known that I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I've got these logos that were made by Hop and Jaunt. They did my redesigned site logo, all of my app logos, so you can check those out. And they finally come in. The new gear is finally here, so I wanted to show it to you and review it as well, because that seemed very appropriate to do, and show you some of the new designs that have come out for summer and what's coming up. So if you've seen my first merch video, you know that we were raising money for Save the Children, in particular their efforts in Yemen, where they build safe spaces for children, educational facilities at refugee camps, and so on. And I wanted to continue that through the end of this month so that we can help even raise more money for a very good cause. Now, if you're interested and want to learn more about that, I'm going to link to that in the description below, as well as an article that I wrote a couple of years ago called The Faces of Yemen when I was in Yemen. So you can see the people that have been affected by the war. So getting back to the merch, which all of the proceeds through this month will go to a very good cause, I wanted to show you obviously the first foXnoMad version. Now, a lot of you have been calling this Foxy Gear unofficially, but I think it should be the official name. Got a shop up on the website, but you can see here, this is the first design. This is the foXnoMad logo design. This has been by far the most popular design. I've got this here on this shirt. Now, the reason I went with Spreadshirt as opposed to some other t-shirt manufacturers is for a couple of reasons. Now, the first one is because I like the way that the fit of the shirt is. So if you've got kind of broad shoulders, and then you've noticed that a lot of slim fit shirts kind of come down in the middle, which isn't the most flattering look for every type of body type, for guys especially. And I really like the way the Spreadshirt are. They're sort of broad in the shoulders and then they come down straight on the sides, which looks very nice. It's flattering for a lot of different body types. And the material of the cotton, I went with the premium material so that it's a little bit thicker than what they usually offer. And in addition to that, I've got some other Foxy gear as well, like these phone cases. Now, since I got this case, I have unintentionally dropped this phone I don't know how many times. I just replaced the internal battery in this phone so that it would last a little bit longer, because it's the primary one I use for development testing, and it's held up very, very well. So this case has this thick rubber band you can see here, which helps protect the phone obviously, but it makes it very easy to take on and off the case, take on and off the phone, I mean, as well, which is really nice. So if you want to just pop this off. And one thing I do like about this case, which I do a lot as well, is you can put your ID or maybe a credit card or a bank card in there as well when you're out traveling. If you want to go ultra slim, don't want to bring a wallet or a purse with you, you can sneak at least 1 or 2 cards in here comfortably without putting any pressure on the phone. So we've got those cases as well for all sorts of iPhone, all the iPhones basically, Samsung phones, and a couple of others. You can check that out on foxnomad.com/shop, which I will also link to below. Going to the next shirt, which is the DroneMate logo shirt. I've also got some sweatshirts coming up for winter, but in this summer run, we've got all the lighter gear, some workout stuff. So if you drone a lot, if you like to fly with your drone, then this is the perfect shirt for that. The same sizes are available for men's, women's, and we've even got a children's version of this shirt. I'd also like to add that if you are droning anywhere in the world and you pick one of these up and you tag me, let me know, tag me with the shirt actually on. I've got a gift for you, so just tag me on Instagram, Twitter, wherever, and I've got a small little gift for you if you tag yourself with the DroneMate logo shirt on anywhere in the world from now through the end of September. Just make sure you tag me with a photo with the shirt on. And I believe that this logo might actually have some superpowers which will help you not crash your drone just quite as frequently as I was before I got this shirt on. So going with the next part of this summer collection, this is the Travel Smarter matte gray version. I really like this design. There's going to be a couple of other colors coming out in the future. And I should also add that with any of these shirts, you've got multiple color options. Clearly, I like blue and darker colors, especially like this gray color, but I do like the black as well. So I tend to go with darker colors, but there are lighter colors as well. So if you want to go a little bit subtle, then this Travel Smarter shirt is a really good way to do that. There are multiple colors, like I said, different versions of this shirt, and it's in matte gray right now, and keep an eye out for different colors coming up with this custom font in the next couple of months. And like I mentioned before, I went with the premium level cotton on all of these shirts, so it's a little bit thicker, more durable, ready for the road, ready to travel with you, The prints are a little bit brighter as well, which I prefer. So that's why I went with this type of fabric. Also, the shirts tend to run a little bit on the larger size. So a large is a very solid medium size. So if you tend to be a little bit full in a medium shirt, then the large is like a very large medium. If you go to the shop, so if you go to foXnoMad.com on the shop, there's a sizing chart there for you. We've got a return policy as well. If the shirt is not the right size, you can send it back and get the right size for you. And on the shop as well, I've got a couple of other items. So we've got some faucet safe water bottles to help reduce your plastic usage, which is one of the main reasons I developed Faucet Safe, one of my apps. Again, if you tag me with that water bottle, if you tag me anywhere in the world with that bottle in your hand, I will send you something. I will send you a small gift that's different than the Drone Mate gift. So you can actually get 2 gifts if you take a picture with the Drone Mate shirt on, with the water bottle, and I'll send you a free gift out anywhere in the world. I should add that there's worldwide shipping for all of these designs, no matter where you are in the world. There are a few countries which aren't on the list. If that's one of your countries, let me know in the comments below, and I will make sure that one of these shirts, whatever you want, will get out to you. On the shop as well, right now, there's a couple of other designs. There's the Inspiration Addict design as well, and so on. You can check out there. Like I said, this is all the summer collection, so you can get this now before the end of August. All of the proceeds are going to go to save the children, to their efforts in Yemen, 100% of the profits. So you're not only getting some pretty foxy gear, you're also helping a good cause. And on top of that, if you get one of the shirts or the water bottle and you tag me with you in it, then you'll also get a gift. So it's giving to charity and as well giving you a gift at the same time, which I think is a pretty good offer. So let me know what you think about these designs. Let me know what you think in the comments below. While you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks very much for watching this, supporting both my website, my travels, supporting me here on YouTube, which I've been uploading much more frequently lately. Thank you for all of it. You really make all of this crazy traveling that I've made a career. You've made it all possible. So thank you very much for all of that, and I will see you in the next video.